So good evening all. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So over to Nishtha.
Thank you, sir. So, a very good evening to all of you. We are very delighted to have most of you here with us today. So, this is probably the last enrichment session of batch two, and it is relatively a very important enrichment session. Uh, I would like to just introduce this enrichment session to you. So, the enrichment session, the agenda for today and the upcoming Sunday session is expressing myself my way. So this is probably the agenda. We're having this for the first time uh, as a part of our organization. So I'll just give you a small brief about what we are going to do in this. So new agenda, new opportunity, a new you. So by this, I and we at you can also mean that this is a new agenda that we're introducing this time. This is a new opportunity for you people. And when I say new opportunity, do keep it in mind. It's a very important thing that you will come to know with this presentation. So and lastly, a new you. So you can also brings to you expressing myself my way for the upcoming Sunday session. It is a comprehensive agenda that will make you challenge yourself. It is a relatively easy session for those who are up for it, who are willing to work for this session. And finally, you definitely have a chance to turn the tables around. So this line is relevant to those who did not attend all the sessions due to some prior commitments. And after having a discussion with our judging panel, we've come to this conclusion that we are giving you a chance to just up your marks in this final session. So what I mean by that, you will come to know with the presentation course. So, sir, would you like to say something to them about the agenda, or do I move to the rules and regulations?
So my dear friends, it's a very unique session which we have planned for you, and there are a whole lot of feedback we have got from the both the judges, right? That how the finale can be make more reaching and more engaging. So this we have carved out very meticulously this agenda, right? And it's a great opportunity for all of us to learn together and expressing myself my way, right? Because many times what happens, we have seen that in last sessions, one or two participants have faced the challenge in expressing the self with the some of the agenda. So we wanted to make it very light and but very engaging finale, so that everybody on the call will feel very engaging and enriching. So over to Nista.
Thank you, sir. So, as sir said, it is a new opportunity for all of you, and we expect and we hope that you all take advantage of this new opportunity. So, moving to the rules and regulations. Just a minute. Yeah, moving to the rules and regulations. The upcoming Sunday session will comprise of two parts, unlike what we are been having until now. Don't worry, it's a relatively simple explanation that we're going to give you. So, in the first part of the Sunday session, you will have to describe yourself in relation to something. It can be an animal, a color, an object, a person, etc. It can be anything that you can think of. You will have to exhibit your creativity in this part. So, to give you a vivid example of what we mean here, for example, sir, I would like you to just
Yeah,
ask the students if
yeah.
any one of them would
So
like to.
yeah, so are you able to understand what we are going to do for yourself? Can anybody tell me what is the your understanding?
In simple words, you'll have to describe yourself in
Yes.
relation to
Yes.
something. So that can be a color. That I can just give you an example, and then you can carry forward. So
Okay, just
suppose I.
okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
hold. If Nishtha is going to demonstrate you that what you are going to do
Okay,
in
so
the
I
finale,
think I think we should tell them the rules and regulations first, and then they
right?
can give the
First,
demonstration.
right, right. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So you will get 1 to 2 minutes to describe yourself. After which, in the next part, you have to observe a co-participant's presentation and state one strong point and one point where he or she can improve. Here you will be marked on how keenly and accurately you can observe. You have to express your observation precisely in about 1 minute. So these are the rules and regulations for the Sunday session. So to be precise, all this will take part at the same time, and it will be like a 3 minute thing for each participant, the observation as well as your self description. So sir, now I think we can go ahead with the
Yeah.
demonstration.
So, my dear friends, here in this session, so judges will be the observing,
Hmm.
all of us, right? And here you, if I'll speak about myself in relation to some object, some color, or some articles. Now, suppose Nishtha Kalra is observing me. Nishtha Kalra is given the assignment to observe me as a individual or as a orator or as a describer of. So she will be. So so she will be giving. Yeah. So welcome, Paramita. So after my presentations about myself, Diksha Kalra will be observing me, and she will be telling to the audience about myself. So this is the agenda. So any observation, any query on this by anybody?
Don't worry, just say whatever you've understood. We'll give you
Yes.
a demonstration as well right now.
So
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Paramita.
Sir, I just joined right now, so can you
Yes,
please explain
yes,
again?
yes, yes.
Yeah, no
Nistha,
issues, Paramita. We will go over the entire thing once again.
yes,
Okay, okay.
yes.
So, sir, do
So
I take ahead the demonstration?
yes. So
Okay.
so you just explain to Paramita in a
Okay, sir. Okay.
short word.
So, for Paramita as well as for everybody else, the upcoming Sunday session, uh, we'll have two parts. As in, the session will be divided into two parts, and there will be separate marking for each part. So that day, the judges will be passive participants, wherein they will not give their judgment after your performance. It will be you who will be observing the others. For example, imagine, suppose Nishtha Kalra.
Paramita, just mute yourself. Yes,
Suppose Nishtha Kalra is allotted another person, for example, say Om. So Nishtha Kalra, as a participant, has to observe Om's performance, and that performance, what that performance will be, Om will have to describe himself uh, in relation to anything, be it an animal, a color, an object, person, celebrity, anyone, for that matter, anything that you can think of. For example, I'll just give you an example. So I, as if I'm a participant, I believe that I relate to the color blue a lot. Okay, so I can explain it like color blue, it is attributed to wisdom, it is
just hold, Nishtha, just hold.
yes
So
sir.
what we are doing over here, that Nishtha is going to demonstrate that how you will present to yourself in relation to color, objects, person, or anything else. And one person will be observing him and giving his observations. So, so Nishtha will give a demonstration. So tell me, any of you who will give your observation about Nishtha. Tell me your names so that we can have a live demonstrations.
Yeah, you have to do nothing. You just have to observe what
Yes.
I am saying, what I'm speaking. You have to tell my one strength and one area where I have to improve. And
Yes.
if it will be very accurately observed, then the judges will give you marks accordingly on your observation. So it's a very easy drill. So anybody,
So
yeah,
tell,
feel free. We're all here to learn.
yeah. So tell us who will observe Nishtha.
May I?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure, Paramita.
So
Yeah,
I
Paramita.
have to like describe you.
No,
No,
Paramita, I'll do the description thing. I'll describe myself in relation to an object, color, animal, a thing, a person, or for that matter, anything. And then you will, after my presentation, you will have to tell me and the judges that what you felt was my strongest part and the area where I have to improve in according to you.
You just read the last second last line which is there on the screen, Paramita.
In the next part, you have to observe a co-participant's presentation and state one strong point and one point where he or she can improve. Here, you will be marked on how keenly and accurately you observe. Okay.
Understood,
For
no?
example, you can say that your content was very good. It was your strongest part of the presentation, but you have to work on your fluency and confidence. Okay, this is how you
Okay.
can observe it.
Understood,
Okay.
no?
Okay.
So can
So,
we go ahead,
yeah.
Paramita?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. So
yes,
Paramita
go
will
ahead.
be observing. Okay,
Yes.
and don't be shy, Paramita. Okay, we all are here to learn. Okay, say whatever you feel. Okay, so
So
I'll just say, and I'll just
I
spontaneously prepare it.
just
Okay,
yeah.
so yes, sir. May I go ahead?
Yes, so I am requesting all the participants to give your total attention
Hmm.
and be a keen observer
Yeah.
to this demonstration. Right? Paramita, can we start?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you just keep
So
your device at one place so that it will be easy for you. Okay,
hmm.
go ahead.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, sir. So,
Yes.
a very good evening to all my fellow participants and the judging panel. So, today I'm here to describe myself. I'm here to express myself my way, in my way. So, I'll be comparing myself, or rather, I'll be relating myself to the color blue. So, as far as color blue is concerned, it is attributed to qualities like wisdom, sincerity, loyalty, uh, intelligence, and stability. Yeah. So I believe I, as an individual, relate to the color a lot. I feel I'm stable in life because I am very straightforward in making my decisions. I feel I am wise enough, I'm intelligent enough to take the right decisions, and I think that I am trustworthy as well as loyal. Also, I believe that color blue, as a color, it exudes positivity around the around your family and your friends, and that is what I can relate to the color the most. I believe that I spread positivity around, and so I think color blue resembles me at the best. So thank you, that was my presentation.
Okay. So I was
Thank you, Nishtha.
really
Thank you, Nishtha.
uh,
Now, Paramita, you just share your observation about Nishtha.
So, your content was really a little bit complicated, but still, you made a very simple thing resembling, and it was like very presentative. And although you described the blue color very uh, majorly, it has so many things that it spreads positivity, and you love that color because of everything. So yeah, it was all good.
Okay, very well
Very
done,
good.
Paramita. And I
Well
sincerely
done,
take your
Paramita.
observation and feedbacks. So, sir, would you like to say anything on that?
Yeah, Paramita, very good, and Nishtha, very good. So, so this is how the things will go. Can anybody, can one more participant can try anything in relation to whatever comes in your mind?
Yeah,
One
I'll
minute,
give you a tip
20
here.
seconds,
I'll give you a clue
40
to
seconds.
ace the Sunday session. If you are comparing yourself to an animal, it can be your spirit animal, or it can, for that matter, it can be any animal. In case of animal or color, it can be easy. For that matter, in case of a personality, also it would be easy. But if you have to, describe yourself in relation to a product, you can go like suppose you can go like that. Suppose I am comparing myself to ketchup, the Kisan ketchup that we are all aware of. So, I can start by saying, I was manufactured in this year. So, by manufactured, I mean I was born in this year. So, that can add a catch to your, I can, that can add a catch to your presentation. So, try making it creative this time. Okay, if you are describing yourself as a product, you can use words like manufactured. You can use like, I am I'm very, as in you have to work on it. You have to, indulge with your entire creativity, and then let's see what comes out. So make this a creative session, okay? We are giving you a free hand this time. Make this a creative session. Yes, sir. Sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Yeah. So, my dear friends, what we have told you that is a very easier session which we have designed for you, right? And it's very engaging also. So, telling about myself in relation to anything else
Yeah.
is very simple, because suppose many people resemble themselves with some celebrity, some articles, some color, some fruits. You when we were kids, no, the small kids, we all have become the caricature in our schools.
Yeah.
So, and we used to practice in our houses, right? So so my advice here is to you all is that please be very creative while designing your content, and very smart in presenting the things.
Yeah.
And also you need to be very curious in observing the your co-participants, because you have to observe also, and you have to give the observations to the audience. So anybody else can try.
Yeah, yeah, Paramita, you've raised your hand. Would you like to say something?
Yeah, I was like just listening to like what you were explaining. I was thinking that uh, like I resemble as like I have to be the book itself, or I have to describe the attachment towards the book of me.
See, what you have to do
And
is you take some qualities of that thing that you're relating yourself with, and take that similar qualities in yourself, and then just compare. As in, if something is sincere, then you have to just say that, I feel I'm sincere as this thing, or this color, animal, or whatever is. So one more example hits my mind. You can compare yourself, or you can relate yourself to a pizza. Everybody loves pizza, so you can say that, similarly everybody loves me, because, as for an example, that you can say that, pizza is loved by everyone, and similarly I feel that I also am loved by everyone. So you have to be creative, okay? You can say that you're diverse, in the sense that pizza, there are a lot of toppings on the pizza, so it's a diverse food. Similarly, I'm also diverse. Like this you have to go about. I think you got a clue about this.
yeah.
Okay, and as far as observation is concerned, we will be assigning you your co-participants on the day of the session only. Suppose Paramita has, ended her presentation, so then we will call upon the co-participant that will be observing Paramita. So you all have to keenly observe each participant. Okay, so that's the catch. You have to be there for the entire meeting, and you can be called upon any time to observe the participants. Suppose Nishtha ends her presentation, then I can call anyone to just say that what did you observe about Nishtha. Okay.
Okay.
So anybody has any query on that? Yes, sir.
I have a question.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Nishtha,
yeah.
go ahead.
So like when some participant finishes her or his presentation, so then only the observer will get to know that
Yeah,
who is going to speak, or
yeah.
so we have to observe every presentation, right?
Yeah. This is the catch, because judges wanted to test you on your observation skills as well. Because when you sign up for public speaking, and when you want to become a good orator, observation is something that is very important. The skills that you can imbibe from your fellow participants, and then you can come to know about your weaknesses as well, where you can improve. So that is a very important part of public speaking that the judges have pointed out. So we are having it this time. Okay, it's very simple. You just have to state one strong point and one area of improvement, and then if that is accurate, if that is rightly observed, the judges will give you marks on that. And there will be no feedbacks by the judges that day. It will be you participants who will be giving feedbacks to each other.
So
Okay.
can we have one more demonstration by any of the participant?
Yes, sir. Sure. Okay, feel free, compare yourself to
Yeah.
anything. If you like trains, compare yourself to trains. If you think
Yes.
you resemble aeroplane, compare yourself to an aeroplane. Just go ahead and about with it.
So Nishtha Kalra, Samarveer Singh, Shrestha, Om Tej, Vaibhavi, Manas, Saksham, any Paramita,
Okay, it can be a
anyone can.
personality also. If you like some
Yes,
footballer or if you
yes.
like some cricketer.
One demonstration we want.
Okay, so I have to describe, like, I know that I firstly observe. Now I have to speak like, okay, I can.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, Paramita, well
Yes,
done. Just
Paramita, go
try.
ahead.
So
Yes, go ahead. And
I like,
just hold Paramita. Who will observe Paramita?
Yeah, who
And
will observe? Now, observing is a good part. Okay, it's an
Okay,
easy
I will
part. Please,
also.
please sign up.
just hold. Okay,
Okay, Nishtha
Nishtha
will.
Kalra will be observing her.
Okay, go ahead.
okay,
Yeah.
so a book has many no has much knowledge in it, and I think that all these years I have studied in a school to learn something. I also have many kinds of like subject and all that knowledge that is in my mind. And I think books are very kind of extrovert because they are everybody's friend, and I can also like adjust with anyone if I have to, or if I'm given to, or myself as well. And a book like a book has many vocabulary knowledge also, and I think that I excel in the mostly language part, uh, uh, at at all subjects. So I think English is where I'm very uh, like excelling in that subject. And books also have different types of like particularly recipes. I kind of love knowing about them, and yeah, that's all I can think of at the moment.
Very good, Paramita.
Very good, Paramita. So,
Thank
Nishtha, what did you observe about Paramita?
I observed about Paramita that she is very much in love with books, obviously. And apart from that, the way she connected books, words, language, and then her interest, that was a really good connection. But I think that if she works on her expression part, the way she expresses it, it will be an amazing piece.
Hmm.
And apart from that, if you use these examples like wings, and because books and knowledge give you wings, and then tell the difference between having wings and not having wings, then it will be a very nice combination.
Very good.
Very good, Nishtha.
thank
Very keenly and rightly observed. I
Very
believe
good.
that Paramita will definitely take cues from your
Yes.
observation. So similarly, friends,
And
you can see how you are benefiting from each other. Now, Nishtha, she pointed her area of improvement. Plus, she gave her a way to work on that. So that's what we are here for in the enrichment sessions, to help each other out. Okay. So
so,
thank you, Nishtha,
so,
and thank
so
you,
can,
Paramita.
yeah, thank you. Can anybody else? I want one more demonstration. Om Tej,
Anybody, compare yourself to
Samarveer,
anything. Compare yourself to a
Vaibhavi,
pencil.
Manas,
It can be a
Vaibhavi,
car.
Manas, Shrestha. Because you all have seen that how much engaging and how much interesting this exercise is, and how simple it is, right? It's very simple yet very engaging, right? And so can anybody will
Okay, we
try?
have many participants. Vaibhavi, Arman, Manas,
Yeah.
Samarveer.
Om Tej, Shrestha.
Try comparing yourself to anything. Only 2 lines will do. I know Paramita has set a upper bar
Yes,
in the enrichment session, but no issues. Speak only
yes.
2 lines. Okay, none of you like nothing or what? Compare yourself to anything. Compare yourself to a gadget, phone, computer,
Vaibhavi,
laptop.
Vaibhavi, will you try? I want smart friends, right? And all of you are amazing, right? I got excellent feedback from my judges about each of you. Om Tej, you are excellent. I am telling you. Nishtha, Samarveer, Saksham, Shrestha, Manas, Aromita, Vaibhavi, you all are amazing uh, individuals. So,
Nobody wants to compare themselves or
okay,
relate themselves
okay
to
then.
anything. Arman,
Chalo,
Arman, would you like to relate or compare yourself to anything?
okay, we can go ahead now, Nishtha.
Okay, sir. So with that, I would like to move on to the final rule. That is, mementos and merit certificates will be awarded to the winners of each group. We'll have one winner from each age group. That is, we'll have three winners in total. Participation certificates and progress reports will be given to all participants. A glimpse of the progress reports was shown to you on the day of the launch. And finally, this time we're introducing this. An award for commendable performance will be given by the organizing committee. It will be decided by the organizing committee. So commendable, by commendable performance, we mean that the participant who has improved the most over the course of these 6 to 7 sessions. So anybody has any query with regard to these rules and regulations, kindly put them forward.
So go ahead, Nishtha.
Okay, sir. So I'll move ahead now. So coming to the judgment criteria, this is the last slide for today's session. So judgment criteria is very important so that you know what's the bifurcation of marks that are attributed to the two parts respectively. So as you know, each Sunday session is for 50 marks. Okay. So this time 20 marks will be attributed to your description of yourself. So the creativity that you put in describing your and expressing yourself in relation to or in comparison to a product, color, an animal, a personality will carry 20 marks. Similarly, the 20 marks will be carried, the 20 marks will be for average of previous sessions. So this time we have turned this into average because many of you did not attend sessions, all the sessions. So for example, if somebody has attended all the sessions, all 5 sessions, then the average will be done for those 5 sessions. If somebody has attended only 3 sessions, 3 or 4 sessions, then the average will be done from those 3 or 4 sessions. Okay, the marks will be averaged out to out of 10. Okay, sorry, out of 20. And lastly, 10 marks will be for your observation, how keenly and accurately you observe. Okay, so any questions on that? So you're all clear with how you'll be judged by the judges that day? I repeat, judges will be passive participants that day. You have to carry forward the show that day. Okay, you have to show how creative you are, how how accurately and how keenly you observe things, how confident you are, how fluent you are. Okay, and that day, if and that day take the observation of the co-participant. That'll be that person who will be judging you, who will be observing you in spirit. Okay, we are not here to demean anyone. We are not here to say that you're not good in this or you're not good in that. It's just a small drill that has been introduced to test your observation skills, how good a listener you are. Okay, sir, would you like to add something to that?
Yeah, yeah. So it's very, very important for all of us to understand this program. Again, I'm just reiterating that you have to describe yourself in relation to an article, object, color, whatever may be, right? And second person will observe you and give his feedback, right? It's not the judgment. It will be the feedback of that individual, what she or he has observed about yourself. It may not right, it may not wrong, right? And we have to take it as it is, right? Because we have got enough feedback from our judges in every session, right? And we know that on which parameter I have to work, right? And because it's a final session, so we wanted to make it very engaging and very creative, so we have designed this type of session and programs. right? And one more thing that you all have to tell us about your topic. Means if Nishtha Singh wanted to explain herself about the blue compare herself with the blue color. So same way compare herself with a book. So each one of you have to tell us by tomorrow or Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday, no? By tomorrow evening in a group or in a separate, whatever comfortable to you, so that we can know prior, and during the presentation of the final session, we can call you and we can tell you the topic that Nishtha Singh will be explaining. Nishtha Singh will be demonstrating herself in relation to the blue color,
Yeah,
right?
we'll
So
just
it's
we'll just
very,
make
very
a
important.
presentation. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll just add your whatever you're relating yourself to in that presentation for the judges. Okay.
Right. And one more thing, Nishtha Kalra has asked one very pertinent questions, which you also might uh, want to ask, that which person will be observing me? Can I get this prior? Nishtha, this was your query, no?
Yes, so my query was that whom I will be observing so that I
Yeah,
could pay more attention to it.
yeah. This we will be telling you there on the spot only, because we don't want that you should prepare for this, right? We
Yeah,
want that
Yes,
you should,
and it will
yes,
not be like this that suppose I am presenting next chances of Parumitas, and Parumita has to observe me. It will not be like that. We understand you all are curious and you all are anxious about your performance, so there'll be a gap of one participant at least. Okay.
and because we have to observe in a very positive manner, right? Because my observation skills are also very, very important for becoming a very good orator, very good speaker. The observation is very, very important, because many times what happens, we good speakers are designing their speech on the spot. If you have observed this Kapil Sharma show, you must have observed this, right? He is having the script, but he also, while talking to the audience, he designs something on spot and he make people laugh.
Yeah.
Am I making sense over here? Right. So it's very, very important art. All we all need to learn that on spot. Can I make something to talk and to speak? And because of that only, this session will help us. Right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay, so
One more thing, yeah, sir has said that we require your topics prior to the Sunday session, and you'll get to know about the co-participant that will be observing you on the Sunday session itself. Okay, so we request you to be creative enough, so that we all the judges and the audience don't lose interest. Okay, we have to make it an interesting session, so it's all up to you how you present yourself, how you formulate your speeches. So with full faith in you, we hope that we'll have a good session ahead. So, and if you need any help, if you require any help, do reach out to us. You can text Manish sir, you can text me. Okay,
Yes,
we will
we are.
help you out.
Yes. Or you
Okay.
can talk to us offline also.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. So Om and Tej, is it okay to you? Om
Yeah,
Nanda, Tej Nanda.
just give your confirmations once that you all understood the session, all of you.
Om Tej.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. That's great.
So,
Just write in the chat box, or just say.
Paramita, Nishtha,
Okay, everybody has understood, sir, I think.
yes,
yeah.
sir.
Manas.
Shrestha Singh, Vaibhavi, Manas. So very good.
Okay.
So again, I'm telling you, you are the lovely individuals, lovely, amazing kids, amazing budding young talents, and I'm sure that you will certainly cherish these sessions for coming years. And many times, what happens? I talk a lot to the people, those who are having this type of work, right? Every person is telling me that you people are doing a very good work, because for the young budding individuals, children. This type of platform are hardly having, right? And that too of with a very renowned judges, those who are giving the online feedback, right? It's like a we are sitting in our home and talking to somebody, those who are known to us, and they are giving me the feedback that how I can improve on every aspect, is small aspects. Even judges are telling me that these words you have not pronounced properly. So we all need to understand that judges are also giving a lot of time and energy for all of us, right? So take the full advantage of this, and we will certainly make a memorable finale for all of you.
Yeah.
Thank you very
And
much.
as Sir said, I would like to add one more point here. The idea of keeping mementos and certificates is not to make, to tell you that you have to compete and you have to, prepare yourself only for the mementos or for the certificates. It's just to,
Yes.
just add a tinge of seriousness so that you get an
Yeah.
incentive to work towards something. Okay, that will
Yes.
benefit you in future. So that's
Yes.
just an incentive and nothing else. Don't work for
Yes.
the mementos, don't work for the certificates, work
Yes.
for yourself.
Yes. I keep on telling to the all participants that we should not take it as a competition. We should take it as a learning opportunity for myself, right? Competition will be always be there. I do exams on every Monday, right? And every monthly test, Monday test, half yearly test, unit test, annual exams, all I used to give. But all these tests and exams are giving me a lot of learning about the subject which I am reading,
Yeah.
right? So
Hmm.
here also the same things. All these sessions are giving me a lot of learning about the topic which we are all in, right? Or the purpose we are all in. And as Nishi ma'am always says, and Tripta ma'am, that these are the life skills, right?
Hmm.
These are the life skills which we all are together learning, right? And you must have listened to the both our judges that many times they are also telling us that whether we are learning, I am also learning, right? So it's a learning platform for all of us. And competition, certainly competition is a hook, just it's not the only thing, right? Rightly told by Nist. So take the full advantage of this learning platform,
Hmm.
and certainly competition will be there. So no
Yeah.
matter.
And lastly, I'll just give you one tip. I think Manish sir will also agree with me on that. That I, as a part of the organizing committee, suggest you, advise you people to go back to our YouTube channel and just check your part of the presentation. You can go through others presentation as well, but just go through that once. We have uploaded all the videos. The previous video will be done by tonight. Just go through and then you will come to know where you have to improve, okay, what you can do better in the last session. So it's the last session, so give your best and we'll see what the result is. So all
Yeah.
the best to all of you.
So
And sir, I
yeah.
think we can end
So
the session now.
thank you very much. Yeah. So
Yeah.
thank you very much. Lovely talking to you.
Hmm.
Take best care of yourself and take care yourself from the winter, because it's a changing weather. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. So
Hmm.
take care of yourself. Thank
Yes.
you very much. Bye bye.
So bye
Thank
to
you,
all.
sir.
Meet you on Sunday. Yes, Nisha, you have some
Bye.
query?
No, I was saying bye.
Bye
Okay, okay,
bye.
bye. Paramita, do you want to say something? You've raised your hand.
Quite irrelevant, but as I told you that I like listening to songs and editing. While you were while your presentation plays, there's a tune of Find Myself. So I thought just like some similarities as
Yeah, yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
did you
That's there. Yeah,
use Find Myself
yeah, yeah.
only?
You're completely right. You're very accurate in that. That's song only. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So Paramita, meet you on
Bye.
Sunday then. Okay. Okay.
Lovely jacket,
Participants,
Paromita.
you can leave the
Bye.
meeting now. Okay. Thank you, sir. So I think we should end the meeting now.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
yes, yes. Thank you. Bye bye.